Okay, I had a camera malfunction, so I never got the beginning part of this video, but so far I've washed, dried approximately a 5-pound chicken, and a shout out goes to the Decker boys from the Decker Colony here in Manitoba. Thanks for the chicken. And that would be Kris and Ryland. Appreciate it, guys. So far I've stuffed it with a half an onion, approximately 2 cloves, 2 bulbs broken up of garlic, and I believe I'm going to put some rosemary in there. There's salt and pepper already in there on the inside. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention I bathed it. I just melted some butter and coated the outside and poured the remainder on the inside of butter. And like I said, onions, a lemon, garlic, onions, and rosemary, and the lemon is going in. That will be the rosemary that I'm chopping up to put inside the chicken. Rosemary inside, onions, garlic, half a lemon, and now the rest of the lemon. And I gotta find something to tie these up with, keep that closed. I need to find something, so I'm gonna pause the video right here. After I wash my hands, I'll tie that up. No idea if this is gonna work, but the only thing I found to tie this bird up is thread. Well, that's the best I can do. Sorry. Okay, you know how to do that. Okay, there's big chunks of onion, 1 sweet potato, 3 regular sized potatoes cut in threes, 1 red bell pepper, and the remainder of the rosemary. Now I'm going to be generous with the olive oil. I already have salt and pepper inside and on top of the chicken, along with the garlic powder and this garlic and herb seasoning, but I'm going to use some of this. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. This is salty, so that's why I'm not going to add any more salt. Just going to spread this around a little bit. And this goes good with anything that you want to season, but beware that it is on the salty side. So, and now I'm just going to mix everything all up. With my washed hands that I've done like 50 times since I started this experiment. And don't forget, because the chicken was buttered inside and out, inside this pan, there's still butter on the bottom of the pan. And now with the virgin olive oil. And this is going to go in the oven, preheated oven, 425 degrees. Well, I've got it at 400. I need to crank that up 25 more degrees. for an hour, hour and 25 minutes, hour and a half I should say. I'm going to check the temperature at about an hour just to make sure. Chicken should be, I think, 165 degrees internally. Okay, I think that's plenty good right there. I didn't forget anything, right? Potatoes, sweet potatoes, onions. And yeah, I'm worried about the string. I didn't use string, I used thread, and I'm a little bit worried that that's need to tuck these wings under here. That's why you don't cut the tips off, so you can get them down there. I forgot. I did want to put a little bit of paprika. Good. Okay, in the oven in a minute or two once it gets to 425. Just a little bit on the upset side because I had originally wanted to do some recording with my new webcam and trying to set it up on my laptop. I know I've had it running here before and don't know what the issue was. I thought I was recording. It turned out it was using the webcam that's actually on the laptop, which is actually crap. I wanted to use the HD, and so that's why the beginning part of the video, the prep, is not there. So apologize for that. I got what I could, and yeah. So we're just going to wait that hour and a half. I just put it in the oven 2 minutes ago, and I'll show you how it plays out. I was planning on recording on two different cameras. That one and the one I'm holding right here in the video. Hi, that's me. But I was having an issue, and of course I didn't want to waste time. I want to get the prep done for the chicken to go in the oven. So I got everything captured on my Realme. I thought I was recording with this camera in the beginning, but it turned out not to be true. So I apologize for that. That's why the beginning of the video is missing some content. But I pretty much go through everything anyways, what I've how I prepared this thing. It's in the oven now. I'll finish the video once it's cooked. If you like this kind of content, a sub to the channel and a thumbs up would be much appreciated. Well folks, there it is, fresh out of the oven. 175 degrees internal temperature. And I'm going to leave it for, I don't know, half an hour, 20 minutes to a half an hour, and let it cool down a bit before I dig into it. But I'll give you my thoughts on as to how it tastes. Looks good. Nice color. Okay, oddly enough, or not oddly enough, I just didn't know, but the thread I used actually stayed on. I just cut it off. Now I'm going to take the good stuff out from inside. It's been sitting for a while. The onions, garlic, and I can't believe how awesome this smells. Definitely smell the lemon, but I gotta get that lemon out of there. Can't wait to try it. In fact, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna transfer it onto the plate. Mix this stuff up here. There's a lot of juice there. Wasn't expecting that. I don't know why. I got this idea from a video on YouTube, of course, and thought I'd give it a shot. But that dude's video did not have all this juice. I'm just gonna try a little bit of. I have sweet potato and potatoes, and oh my. This is absolutely fantastic. That is so good. So many flavors in there, it's not even funny. That is very tasty. And because there's only me, because my beautiful wife lives in Thailand, this is my supper. I mean my lunches for the next coming week. Today is Sunday. So, it's my supper today, and lunches for the next coming few days. Once again, thanks to the Decker boys, the Decker Colony here in Manitoba for the chicken. Hutterite Colony, Decker Colony. Kris and Ryland, you know who you are. Appreciate it, guys. It's been a pleasure teaching you how to drive truck. All right. Oh my, that is so good. Two thumbs up, but the other one's busy. Thanks for watching. Swati Dan Chow. And to my lovely wife in Thailand. Oh, I'm wearing my Thailand shirt today. Can you see that? I've got my phone in the way. I love you, sweetie, and I miss you. And I'll talk to you later.